Evaluate using the order of operations. Write the answer in simplest form. So this is the order of operations in fraction problem, and we will solve number 4 together. Let me write it down again. Number 4, 3 over 4 minus 1/2 times 3 over 5. First thing we need to do is solve the one in parentheses. 4 and 2, their denominator is not same, so we will make denominator same first. Times 2 times 2, so it is going to be 2 over 4, and then times 3 over 5. When the denominator is same, what we do is we can simply do the subtraction, and 1 over 4 times 3 over 5. Next, we are going to multiply the fraction, and when we multiply the fraction, what we do is multiply numerator together and multiply denominator together, so the answer is 3 over 20.